Insekte in die tuin. Insects in the garden. Vandag gaan ons na die tuin. Die son skyn warm. Daar is baie insekte in die tuin. Kan jy hulle sien? Today we are going to the garden. The sun is shining warmly. There are many insects in the garden. Can you see them? Kyk na die klein rooi lieveneersbesie. Dit het swart kolle op sy rug. Dit kruip op 'n groen blaar. Die lieveneersbesie is baie oulik. Look at the small red ladybug. It has black spots on its back. It crawls on a green leaf. The ladybug is very cute. Hier is 'n by. Die by is geel en swart. Die by gons zoem, zoem, zoem. Dit soek kos in die blomme. Here is a bee. The bee is yellow and black. The bee buzzes, buzz, buzz, buzz. It's looking for food in the flowers. Daar is 'n pragtige skoenlapper. Die skoenlapper se vlekker is blou. Dit fladder bo oor die gras. Die skoenlapper is baie mooi. There is a beautiful butterfly. The butterfly's wings are blue. It flutters above the grass. The butterfly is very pretty. Sien jy die muur? Do you see the ant? Die muur is klein en bruin. Die muur dra 'n groot stuk kos. Mure werk altyd baie hard. The ant is small and brown. The ant carries a large piece of food. Ants always work very hard. Oei, kyk daar onder die klip. Dit is 'n cricket. Look there under the stone. There is a cricket. Die cricket is swart. In die aand sing die cricket, kriek, kriek. The cricket is black. In the evening, the cricket sings, kriek, kriek. Kyk na die lang springkaan. Die springkaan is groen soos die gras. Dit het lang bene. Die springkaan kan baie hoog spring. Look at the grasshopper. The grasshopper is green like the grass. It has long legs. The grasshopper can jump very high. Insekte is baie belangrik. Insects are very important. Hulle help die plante en die blomme. Ons moet mooi kyk na die insekte. Hulle is ons maatjies in die tuin. They help the plants and flowers. We must look after the insects. They are our friends in the garden. Die einde. The end.